guys, welcome back to another cooking video with the one and only Claudie Cooks in the kitchen. Today we are going to cook some salt beef, rice and peas. All of these delicious ingredients will be listed in the link below for you. So let's get cooking. Woohoo! Okay, we're going to start off first with some water in the pan there. I've got about 8 to 9 cups of water in the pan here, and I've got 2 cups of washed kidney beans. So we're going to put that all in, and to that I'm going to add some mixed bell peppers, 2 bay leaves, and I've got some ginger here. I'm just going to squash it down a bit to help to release the flavors, and in that goes. And we're going to add some onion here, so I'm just going to add those to the pan as well, along with some thyme. This is for flavoring, just extra flavorings whilst the food is being cooked. So we're just going to throw all that in there. We're going to put some pimento seeds in it as well. So we've got about that much, and the onions that I've put are 2 baby shallots, okay, and I used about 2 cloves of garlic. We're going to put the fire on, and we are going to let this come to the boil, and once it starts boiling, then you need to put a lid on top, and whilst that's cooking, we are going to tend to the salted beef. I've already washed the salted beef, and I'm just going to put that on the fire now to boil whilst the peas is being cooked. So that's going to be for about 30 minutes. Within 30 minutes, we will add the salt beef to the pan. So let's move on to the salt beef. You can also use salted pigtails in this as well, but I only had some salt beef, so that's what we're using. Okay, and we're going to let that boil for about 15-20 minutes, just to make sure all of the salt, well, most of the salt is removed, because we don't want it to be too salty when we add it to the peas with all the rest of the seasoning. So we're going to boil this for about 15 to 20 minutes. Then we're going to drain it. Then we're going to rinse it and then add it to the peas. So I will see you back in about 20 to 30 minutes time. Okay, so this is after half an hour cooking, and it was on high. So it's time to add salt beef. Okay, so that's been rinsed after boiling. Okay, that's what it's looking like. Okay, so we're going to add a bit more water to the pan. It's got about 1/4 pint of boiling water. Just giving it another little stir. Right, so you can see that everything is covered, the peas and the meat. And we're going to put the lid on. We're going to reduce the heat from high, and it's on medium to high, and we're going to give that about an hour and 20 minutes or so until the meat and the peas are cooked. So I will see you back in about hour 20, hour and a half. But don't forget, during the process, please check in and make sure enough water is in your pan. So I'll see you back in a mo. Oh, it's very soft, and the peas all nicely cooked. And I cooked that for an hour 20, and I did top it up a little bit with some more water. Okay, let's get some flavoring into that. Well, we've got a tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning. And we're going to add some more pimento seeds, and I've got 2 cloves in there. Got a tablespoon of green seasoning, homemade. You can find that on my channel. 1 clove, sliced garlic, and we've got some crushed spring onion, and we've got thyme in there. We've got Scotch bonnet pepper, so we're going to drop that in there. I might even put this one in as well because it's not broken, so you know, this is really just for flavoring. And a tablespoon of butter. And I'm gonna add a bit more the bell peppers, the mixed bell peppers to that. And I'm going to add a bit of coconut oil to that as well. And as I'm using coconut milk in our rice and peas, I have learned that a bit of sugar helps to enhance the flavor profile of the coconut in the rice and peas. So that's what I'm doing. I'm gonna get the coconut milk now. Okay, I'm gonna put about half of this can. It's 400 milliliters, so I've used half of that in there. Just going to give that a little mix. Look at that, you can almost smell it, can't you? Smells so lovely. Right, we're just going to use half of this Maggi here. Just going to crumble it. A bit more flavor, onion granules, and a bit more garlic granules. Black pepper. We're going to put some salt onto that as well. Just going to stir that. A splash of liquid Maggi. I'm just going to test for seasoning. Yes, time to add the rice. I'm using a cup of washed Uncle Ben's long grain rice, and this is the size of the cup that I use. And let's give it a stir. Going to put the lid on, and we are just going to let that cook for about 20 to 30 minutes. So I'll see you back in a moment. Okay, this is after 25 minutes. I'm just removing this because it has done its job. Okay, and I'm just going to fluff it up. We're just going to cover it and just let it continue to steam with the fire off. And there you have it, guys, my salt beef rice and peas. Looking very, very yummy. Enjoy.